Now we have to find L of sin HAT. L of sin HAT is equal to, we have A by S square minus A square. Now we have to prove this one. Okay. First, we know the formula sin HAT. Sin HAT is equal to e power AT minus e power minus AT by 2. Now taking Laplace on both sides, L of sin HAT is equal to, L of sin HAT is equal to 1 by 2 times of L of e power AT minus L of e power minus AT by linearity property. Directly I have written. Okay. We know that L of e power AT is 1 by S minus A minus L of e power minus AT is 1 by S plus A. Formula na? Yes. Now do the partial fraction. Then partial fraction if you are done, then you will get S minus A into S plus A. So directly I am writing S square minus A square into, this is S plus A minus of S minus A. So plus S minus S cancel. A minus of minus A means 2A. So this is 2A by 2 into S square minus A square. So 2 to getting cancelled, then you will get A by S square minus A square. You see, you got L of sin AT is A by S square minus A square. Okay, one example. Suppose find L of sin H3T. If they are asking, sin H3T means sin HAT form. What is A? A is here 3. So 3 by S square minus 3 square. Okay, L of sin H2T. Sin H2T means A by S square minus A square. Earlier we are discussing L of cos H2T. What is cos HAT? S by S square minus A square. Na? So this is minus 4. L of cos HT only I want. So that is S by S square minus A square means 1. Okay. Next. L of sin AT is equal to A by S square plus A square. L of cos AT is equal to S by S square plus A square. Now we have to prove these two. See, actually here we have one formula, that is exponential function we know very well, that is e power IAT is equal to cos AT plus I sin AT. Okay, now I want to L of cos AT, L of sin AT. What I can write, this is a real part of e power IAT, this is imaginary part of e power IAT. Na? Now I want L of e power IAT. This is L of f of t formula. So what is L of f of t? Integral 0 to infinite e power minus st f of t dt. What is f of t? E power IAT dt. So both are exponential functions only. Na? So integral 0 to infinite e to the power of minus, you take common, then s minus ai into t dt. Now what is the integration for this? Integral e power minus of s minus ai into t divided by s minus ai. Now apply the limits 0 to infinite. 0 to infinite. So 1 by s minus ai into e power minus of s minus ai into t, limits from 0 to infinite. In place of t you substitute infinite, minus in place of t you substitute 0, f of b minus f of a type. So 1 by s minus ai into, this is e power minus infinite minus e power minus 0, 1 by s minus ai into e power 0 is, sorry, e power minus infinite is 0, e power 0 is 1. So you will get here, this is minus is there, I have done small mistake, minus, so you will get minus of minus plus 1 by s minus ai is L of e power iat. But what you want actually? L of sin 80 I want, and I want L of cos 80 I want. So how can I get? Means I want real and imaginary part. How? You have to observe denominator should not contain item. So what we will do? We will go for the rationalize. Rationalize with what? S plus ai. Then in this case you will get numerator s plus ai by denominator you will get s square minus a square minus a square i square. A square ka a square, I square is minus 1. So minus of minus plus 1. So in this, what is the real part? S by s square plus a square. So what is the real part of e power iat? Cos 80. So L of cos 80 is s by s square plus a square. L of sin 80 is a by s square plus a square. So this is the formula. Now based on these problems, okay, just take a is equal to 1, no 2, 3, what you will get. Now we will discuss L of sin 3t. What is sin 3t? Sin is means a by s square plus a square. A square means 3 square. Suppose L of cos 3t, if they are asking, cos means s by, so s by s square plus a square means 9. Suppose if hyperbolic is, they are asking hyperbolic, sin h 3t. Just you see, whenever the hyperbolic is there, numerator is a only, but in the denominator minus a square, s square minus a square. Suppose L of cos h 2t. Cos is nothing but numerator should be s. Sin is nothing but numerator is a. That may be hyperbolic or else normal function also. Now cos s square minus hyperbolic is there, so minus 2 square means 4. So from this, what we have done, those formulas, all the formulas are very important. Now we will let all the formulas once again. Now you consider right side f of t, left side f of s. What is mean by f of s? L of f of t. What we have done, that one only I am writing. If f of t is 1, what is L of 1? 1 by s. If L of t is e power at, then what is f of s is 1 by s minus a, where s minus a greater than 0. L of e power at is on. Now t to the power of n. T power n is nothing but n factorial by s power n plus 1. Next, L of sin 80. Sin 80. Sin is k means a by. Whenever only sin s square plus a square. Suppose cos 80 came. Whenever cos is the numerator s. Normal function only. So s square plus a square. L of sin h 80 is a by s square minus a square. Next, L of cos h 80 is s by s square minus a square. These formulas are very important to find the Laplace transform of the given function. Okay na? Remember these formulas. Thank you.